So don't stop efforts until your victory makes the history. My dear audience, many of us have listened to the name of 23rd March, the Resolution Day. But how many would know the actual meaning and the concept behind it? We are sure that many of you not be well aware of the main idea of the Resolution Day. The Resolution Day is a day when Pakistan started existing in the world. It is a day when Hindus turned into the Muslims. It is the day when confirmed that Muslims need a separate homeland where they can live freely. They can have their own rules. They follow the right country. Respected chief guest, this day is too much important in the sense that many of the people get together under the same platform. They are showing a great unity and a brotherhood impression. But the question is that, what they need? Basically, they want an Islamic independent country. Islamic independent country. My respected audience, now many of you thinking in your mind, think why this day is too much important on the fact that many of the people get together at the same platform. That's all. No, my dear audience, no, that's all. It is a day when Muslims put their efforts and struggles into achieving Pakistan. It is the day when Allah shows all His blessings on the Muslim subcontinent. Allah created this nation as unique and independent, so no one can be slave to anyone. This is mark of the successful constitution transition of Pakistan, just as from the dominant of Islamic country that turns into the world's first Islamic Republic independent country. Respected chief guests, now let's turn the pages of history and go back to the historical background of 23rd March, when each and every Muslim in Pakistan shows an extreme level of respect. When Muslims gather at Minar Pakistan, the great place which glorifies the golden movement of Muslims of subcontinent. They stood for their rights at Minar Pakistan, and with the great leadership of Qaeda Muhammad Ali Jinnah, they raised the slogans, Pakistan ka matlab kya? Pakistan ka matlab kya? La ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah. Banke rahega Pakistan. Banke rahega Pakistan, banke rahega Hindustan. Respected audience, this day reminds us the sacrifices of Muslims for the formation of Pakistan. We lost our men, we lost our respect for our sister. Parents lost their children, brothers lost their sisters. Women's wives presented with great sacrifices in the shape of their husbands' life. Dear audience, after the great sacrifices of a leader, the green and white flag flapped into the blue horizon. The soil stems from brown into the red. The seed of freedom was sown by those great leaders who lost their homes, who lost their wedding medals at their native homes, who lost their childhood memories in those streets, and then devoted Pakistan. Respected chief guests, this day also reminds us that how our forefathers collected the struggle and demonstrated beautiful unity to gain a separate homeland. This day gave us the lesson that in a united effort, the success becomes the fate. Honorable chief guest, let me say that thousands of the people laid down their lives so our country can celebrate this day. Our country can celebrate this day because of struggles of Muslims. Chief guest, Qaeda Muhammad Ali Jinnah said that there is no power on earth that can undo Pakistan. There is no power on earth that can undo Pakistan. So, let's come on, my brothers, sisters, and children. Come on, now it's our time to take a decision. Now it's our time to building our nation. It's our time to have reformation in the country. In the end, I would just like to say that now we are passing very hard time. It's our time to be of effort, to